Welcome to I'm on the kitchen. This morning I wanna introduce you how I make microplastic and toxic-free breakfast. Because I recently care about microplastic and pesticide inside of food, so I learned many things. So I just wanna share my information with you. First, when you eat root vegetable like potato, sweet potato, or carrots or potatoes, they tend to contain many environmental pollution and also pesticide. And even if you buy organic vegetables, they still contain pesticide or impurities because all earth are connected and all ocean and soil are actually also contaminated for some extent. So microplastic exists everywhere. So and especially root vegetable absorb all nutrient and also impurities like pesticide from the soil. So when you buy root vegetable, I recommend you to soak the vegetable in the water overnight like this. And I use copper pot because copper pot has antimicrobial effect. So I soak sweet potato first overnight and then I cook. And when you buy supplement like ashwagandha or other roots, how can I say if the supplement's ingredient are roots like ginger or ashwagandha, you must be extra careful because supplement is very concentrated nutrients. So if you buy very cheap Ayurvedic supplement, it might be harmful. Yeah, it's not only not effective, but also harmful and toxic for your body. So if you wanna buy ginger or ashwagandha supplement, please make sure to buy organic and very good brand one. Yeah, anyway. Today I wanna boil 3 eggs and some sweet potatoes, and I will use the remaining sweet potato later to steam. Yeah, steam Japanese rice. Yeah, Japanese people sometimes steam sweet potato and other vegetables together with rice. Yeah, we call it takikomi gohan. And the sweet potato also contains vitamin C, natural vitamin C, B-carotene, and many antioxidants. And the skin part is anthocyanins. So yeah, it's ideal to eat the skin part together because this part will keep your skin younger and healthier. Yeah, contain many good micronutrients, so don't throw away. And I also chop my vegetable with stainless steel. Yeah, stainless steel board. So if you have a plastic board, plastic cutting board, yeah, please just throw it away. And I also use Himalayan pink salt because all sea salt contains microplastic. So next time you purchase salt, yeah, please find Himalayan pink rock salt or rock salt, just rock salt. I think there is also microplastic free salt online, but I think they are extra pricey, so I recommend you to buy rock salt like this. Thank you for watching.